Corner channel. Today we got a good one for you. There's a lot of debate out there which is better, the smoked ribs or the sous vide ribs. Today we don't have enough time to try them out, but we are going to try the method out with chicken wings. So stick around and let's find out which one's better. Another thing, stick around to the end of the video. We've got this sugar-free wing sauce that we're going to try out. So we'll test that out. We'll let you know how it is. So here we got our chicken wings. These ones are going to go on the smoker. I'm going to sous vide these ones. So stick around. I'll get the vacuum sealer ready and we'll vac these ones up and get ready to go. So we're just going to hit these ones with a good bit of salt. I don't want to put a rub on them yet. We're going to do that afterwards, after they come out of the sous vide bed. It's about a quarter cup of butter. We throw this in the sous vide, run the temperature at 165 degrees. So we're just going to put a little barbecue rub on these wings. Got Traeger coming up to temperature. We'll be doing these at 325 today, I think I set it at. So we're gonna hit these with a little bit of rub. I'm really interested to see which one of these is gonna win. Just let me know down in the comments which one you guys think is gonna turn out better. And also we're gonna be doing in a couple weeks here a nice tutorial on the ribs, sous vide versus smoke. Mixture of both. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. A nice rub on there. Let's take these out to the smoker. So like I said, we'll be running at 325 today. Put this down on there. These babies been on for a few hours now. Came up to 175 degrees. Look at the color on them. Pull these off. We'll go in and we'll check the ones on the sous vide. I apologize for the dogs barking, but they know it's getting close to where they're going to get to try some food too, so we're just getting a little excited. So pulling the wings out of the sous vide. Got the broiler going. I'm going to throw them in this cast iron. I'm going to put a little rub on them, same rub we did the smoked wings with. We're going to try to crisp that skin up under the broiler for a few minutes here. told you we were going to try out that sugar-free wing sauce. It's a mango habanero flavor. So I'm just going to toss a few from each in there and see what it tastes like. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but they sound good. Let's pull these out. These are just under the broiler for a couple minutes. Toss a couple of them in that sauce. Really didn't caramelize too much. For here we got the ones that were sous vide and butter, 165 for 2 hours, and under the broiler for just a few minutes. Over here we got the ones that were smoked at 325 for a couple hours. And then I'm tossing these three in that mango habanero wing sauce. So we'll see how they turn out. They were on the smoker. These were tossed in the sauce and then put under the broiler. Not really impressed with these ones, but see how they taste in a minute. Let them cool down a second and we'll dive in. Here we are for the taste test. First, I think I'm going to go with the smoked wing. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah, you know that one's good. It's perfect. I'm really interested to see how these sous vide wings were. So here it is. It's under the broiler, crisp that skin up a little bit. Wow. Just a little bit crispy on the skin. It falls right off the bone there. Wow. Yeah, I'll be doing that some more. Next, let's test out that sugar-free sauce we have. So, this is the one that was on the smoker. I tossed it in sauce a little bit, put it back on for like 10 minutes. Money right there. And I wasn't impressed about the ones I put under the broiler. They didn't, nothing really happened to it. It just kind of feels a little rubbery. So let's try this one out. Wow. Texture's not there, but the taste and the way it falls off the bone. I gotta give it to the sous vide. Yeah, I'll be doing wings like this again. Like I said, stick around because we're gonna be doing a whole rib series on the sous vide versus smoker. And we'll see how they turn out, but I know which way I'm leaning.